everything in this particular age, I would say, is AI transparent. So you can also summarize the YouTube videos using that. So even something which is a 2 hour long video would
Mhm.
be summarized in around 30 to 40 minutes in there. I have given several interviews. Multiple questions which I answered was somewhere nearer to what DI asked me.
So, hi Simran, how is
Hey,
your day going?
day has been hectic. Too much office work.
Good
Yeah.
to hear that. Good to hear that. No, actually, not that good to hear that, but great you're having a nice day at office.
uh,
So I'm very happy to have you here, Simran, with us. As we all know, that Simran is a part of our Career Accelerator program, and I would like Simran to first of all introduce himself and then tell us what positive impact we managed to have. So, Simran, over to you. Please tell us a little bit about yourself.
sure. So basically, myself Simran, I hail from Karnal, which is in Haryana. Okay. So I started my corporate journey in 2019. So it has been 6 years in the corporate journey for me. Basically, what I did was I heard it from somewhere, like Instagram, seeing that, okay, there is a workshop going on. I tried to join the workshop, seeing that, okay, let's see. It was just like, okay, it's an AI. AI is booming. Everything in this particular age, I would say, is AI transparent. So fine, let's go there. Let's see.
Mhm.
And then I joined, and I liked the workshop. It was a very positive workshop, and I thought, let's join it. Let's see what happens. Right. First few sessions, I was very much into it. I was looking at things. I was learning and grasping. And honestly speaking, those were the golden sessions, which I would say for me, because that actually gave me the roadmap, what I had to follow for my
Mhm.
next jump.
Mhm.
So that was a bit brief introduction about me and how I came into this program.
Any special moment that you remember from our sessions, from all the sessions that you've attended? Any special moment which the mind may imprinted?
Uh, Actually, there are quite a few.
Mhm.
So one of them was I was in this session, and I think one of the mentors, right? They were showing one of the websites which basically created an image from anything which we write there, right? So it was like, okay, I think it was Aditya who was taking
Mhm.
that session.
Mhm.
So he just wrote on that particular website that, okay, give me an image of an office wear.
Mhm.
Using his own image, he just pretended to, okay, he's in the office, give me an office background and a suit and something like that. So I was very fascinated with that. Honestly speaking, it was like, okay, anytime you need something professional, I can just go to that website, ask it, okay, create something professional for me, and it will create it, right? So that was one of the moments. The other one was when I would say there was some. I don't exactly remember the mentor, but he was working with Notebook LTM. So as I was mentioning earlier, right? So Notebook LTM was something which I actually wanted to explore. I heard the name before, but I was like, okay, it would be something. But when he showed me the possibilities, I was like, man, this is something which I want to do. This is something which I must be using now. So it is a very good summarizer. If I can, in layman terms, it will just take anything which you give, it will summarize it for you, it will create a podcast. So it is a very good thing to use.
So I haven't heard of Notebook LTM, but what have you used Notebook LTM for?
I have used it to summarize all the content and everything which I work on. So I had around 150 to 160 articles, which I use
How
perplexity.
many pages per article?
It would be, I guess, around, I would say 10 to 12 pages.
So 100 articles, 10 to 12 pages, 1,000 pages approximately.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my God,
This was
I haven't read a thick novel since ages.
I'm
Uh-huh.
not at all a big reader. So that was one of the things which kept me going.
Mhm.
Other thing was you can also summarize the YouTube videos using that. So even something which is a 2 hour long video would
Mhm.
be summarized in around 30 to 40 minutes in there.
Mhm.
That was the biggest thing for me, because what usually our generation does is we open YouTube, we go
Mhm.
there, see the lectures. see the videos related to it, and then start working. I was like, man, this is something which is very good to do. And honestly, it was one of the best things. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. Nice that you found something that was very useful to you. Okay, Simran. So, how would you describe yourself professionally? As in, what state were you in? What position were you in before you entered into a mastery course? And what
Mhm.
would you say have you managed to land into a better position, a better package, compensation, a better job, whatever? So, what would you say that you were before our mastery course and after our mastery course?
Okay. So, strategically speaking, before the mastery course and after the mastery course, there is just difference in the location and difference in the, like, I would say, package, right? The major difference which I see is, okay, I have learned regarding AI. I have started to incorporate it in the work, but obviously it is not something which we can openly use in the corporations due to all the strictness and the data security breaches and everything, right? Since I am a security guy, I know that better than anyone that using it without like proper measures and proper preventions is disastrous.
True,
So
true.
that's something we are still working on. But yeah, before that and after that, there is a big change.
Mhm.
Salary wise, also, it's a big change, and location wise, also, because before this, I was in Bangalore, but now I came to Noida, which is near to my hometown. So it's a big shift for me, actually.
It's a huge bonus. It's truly a bonus then compensation wise and location wise. You were
Yeah,
able to be closer to your home and closer
yeah,
to being whatever our dream target is. Um,
yeah.
what I would really like to ask you one about another thing is that
Hmm.
how well equipped do you feel, like if there are further challenges in your life, professionally I mean, do you
Hmm.
feel that knowledge of these AI tools and being a part of this mastery program, has it helped you in getting confidence that you can now tackle these going ahead?
Definitely, definitely. I would say definitely. Because, see, it's one thing to get some answers for random questions. It's another thing to train your AI to become an interviewer and ask you such questions so that you get the answers for that as well. I have given several interviews. Multiple questions which I answered were somewhere nearer to what the AI asked me. So it was something beneficial for me as well.
True, true, true. Great, Simran.
Yeah,
That is what we also hope for. We try to teach a person how to fish rather than to
yeah,
give them a fish. That's what we really hope for. And
yeah.
amazing, Simran. Is there any feedback that you have for our mastery program? Anything that you would like us to add? Anything you would like us to subtract? Anything that you believe that probably we could improve on?
Uh, Honestly, one thing which I felt was, okay, since there are multiple people watching there are multiple people watching the session, right? Everybody is not equipped with everything.
Mm-hmm,
I am a person who is working in a technical background,
mm-hmm.
and I wouldn't require Power BI or data analyst part until and unless I'm planning to switch there, right?
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm,
what I feel is it's better if we can have like a diversified course. Diversified
okay.
in the sense that we know that, okay, this person is has this background, right?
Okay.
So we can tailor that to a particular session, that, okay, this is an important session for you,
Mm-hmm,
and these are the timelines for those sessions, right?
mm-hmm,
It's an open forum. Everybody can join any session which they please, right? But there are some sessions which are very much important for
mm-hmm,
the person, for their future growth and benefit, right? So
mm-hmm,
that is something which I would like to suggest, basically.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So because what happened was, there was Python course and I was busy with my interview, so I was not able to attend one of them.
Mm-hmm.
And that made me like, okay, I have missed the first session. Would I be able to like cope up with the second and third one? But I was able to easily cope up with that. And
Mm-hmm.
even I had the recording for the first one, so I watched it and I was like, okay, not much missed, but yeah,
Uh-huh.
that is something which I thought should be good.
Ah, that's great. That's great. Simran, definitely, we are always working on improving our products,
Yeah,
and I feel key feedback is very important. So,
yeah,
thank you very much, Simran, for all of your comments and for giving me your time. It was
sure.
amazing, and I do wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you. Thank you.